Okay, Jenny, so for those of us that don't know what the Unity Walk is, can you please tell us a little bit about what it's for and what it's celebrating?
Absolutely. So the Unity Walk was created by the city of Tempe back in the late 1990s as part of our MLK celebration. But in 2002, we invited the other cities to join us, and we kind of separated it from the MLK event and created this regional event. And the purpose is to celebrate unity within our communities. So the event started at 4:30, so from 4:30 till 6 o'clock, we've got a festival. We've got free hot dogs and chips for the people. Mulligan's Manor, which is one of our youth group homes in Tempe for LGBTQ teens, are handing out free cotton candy. We've got entertainment, bounce houses, and then just start the walk at 6.
So tell me, Joe, what brings you here today to the Unity Walk?
Actually, I've been involved with Unity Walk for years now. I come out every year for the same reason, because I want to help promote the vision of Martin Luther King, which is we're all the same in the inside, maybe not in the outside, but in the inside we're all the same. We all believe in the same thing, that we all want to get together. We all want to live in peace and harmony and unity.
What would you like to see come out of the Unity Walk? All of us coming together. Is there something you'd like to see come out of this?
That everybody is more unified. It's just nice for all the communities to come together. It's fun.
Right.
And everybody's in a good mood, you know, kind of get you forget about all the drama and everything that's going out there today. It's great.
It really is true that when community gets together, it does make for a better environment. So it's really basically just come out, get to know your neighbor, get a free hot dog, and enjoy the festival and build a better community.